Out on the porch, in a planter so small, little seeds whisper started so small. Day by day, reaching up to the sun, in this little pot, a journey's begun. Leaves stretch wide, veins of green, roots dig deep in a humble scene. Every morning with the watering can, tender hands, gentle land. Watermelon home, growing tall and sweet, underneath the sky, in the summer heat. Happy are the days, filled with nature's gifts. Watermelon home, where my heart lives. Dreaming of a day with a big old grin, breaking open the fruit, the joy within. Pink, juicy flesh dripping from my hands. Oh, what a world in this small patch of land. Neighbors peeking over marvel at the sight, a garden's joy on a summer night. No vast fields, just humble ground, the sweetest harvest here I found. Watermelon home, growing tall and sweet, underneath the sky, in the summer heat. Happy are the days, filled with nature's gifts. Watermelon home, where my heart lives. Watermelon home, growing tall and sweet, underneath the sky, in the summer heat. Happy are the days, filled with nature's gifts. Watermelon home, where my heart lives. Where my heart lives.
We got a garden on the rooftop, love. Just an acre of sky and stars above. Picked a pack of seeds from the county fair, planted dreams with a gentle stare. The city's a jungle, but the spots are own. Among the bricks and the street lights glow. Watermelons on my mind, sweet and red. Every drop of rain feeling heaven sent. Watermelon love, growing in the sun. Just you and me, our hearts beat as one. Urban fields, high above the streets. In our rooftop garden where our love repeats. The tender vines, we sip our coffee, leave the rush behind. Sprinklers dance in the summer heat, in a concrete world, our love so sweet. Rooftop nights with the moonlit view, counting stars, making dreams come true. Hand in hand as the city sleeps, our watermelons promising secrets they'll keep. Watermelon love, growing in the sun. Just you and me, our hearts beat as one. Urban fields, high above the streets. In our rooftop garden where our love repeats. Rooftop nights with a moonlit view, counting stars, making dreams come true. Hand in hand as the city sleeps. secrets they'll keep.